Are you ready for the ultimate Linux showdown? Today we're comparing Ubuntu, Zorin OS, and Pop! OS, the top contenders in the Linux world for 2025. Each of these distributions has carved out a unique niche, catering to different types of users and use cases. Hi everyone, I'm your name from your channel name. Whether you're a seasoned Linux user or someone just starting out, this video will give you a comprehensive look at what each of these distros has to offer. In this video, we'll break down the features, performance, and user experience of Ubuntu, Zorin OS, and Pop! OS to help you decide which distro suits your needs best. We'll also touch on the community support and ease of use for each one. Let's dive right in. First up, Ubuntu. This distribution has been a cornerstone in the Linux community for years. Ubuntu is known for its robust community support, regular updates, and a balanced blend of stability and innovation. It's a great choice for both beginners and advanced users. With its familiar GNOME desktop and a plethora of key applications, it's no wonder Ubuntu remains a favorite for many. The GNOME desktop environment is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate and customize. The community-driven support forums are a lifesaver for troubleshooting and tips. You can find answers to almost any question you might have. Next, Zorin OS. Zorin OS offers a sleek, Windows-like interface ideal for beginners transitioning from Windows. It's designed to make the switch to Linux as smooth as possible. It puts a big emphasis on ease of use and customization. You can tweak the desktop to look and feel exactly how you want it, which is perfect for users who love to personalize their workspace. The clean interface, endless customization options, and user-friendly software center make it perfect for new users. The software center is packed with applications that are easy to install and manage. Lastly, Pop! OS. Celebrated for its performance optimizations, Pop! OS is a blessing for creators and gamers. It's built with a focus on out-of-the-box productivity and performance. It focuses on out-of-the-box productivity with an intuitive workflow, streamlined updates, and superb hardware compatibility. The system is optimized to make the most out of your hardware, whether you're using it for gaming or creative work. Whether you're gaming or working on creative tasks, Pop! OS delivers a stellar experience. The performance tweaks and optimizations make it a top choice for those who need a powerful and efficient system. When it comes to daily productivity, community support, and specialized performance, each of these distros brings something unique to the table. They cater to different needs and preferences, making the choice largely dependent on what you prioritize in an operating system. Ubuntu offers a well-rounded experience. Zorin OS makes transitioning from Windows effortless, and Pop! OS stands out with its performance-centric design. Each distro has its strengths, and the best one for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So, which one is the best for you? It really comes down to what you're looking for in a Linux distribution. If you value stability and community support, Ubuntu might be your go-to. Its long-standing reputation and extensive community make it a reliable choice. For those looking for a Windows-like experience, Zorin OS is a perfect fit. Its familiar interface and ease of use make it an excellent choice for newcomers. And if performance is your priority, especially for gaming or creative work, Pop! OS could be the winner. Its optimizations and focus on productivity make it a powerhouse for demanding tasks. Let me know in the comments which Linux distro you're excited to try in 2025. Your feedback and experiences can help others make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and share this video with fellow Linux enthusiasts. Your support helps us create more content like this. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.